You can fight with fists. That's so funny to me because it's true. And that fight involved police, it involved lawyers, it involved like zoning. It was a lot, hey? I'm too old. But I mean, don't try me. Don't take this video as an invitation, girl. I'm not playing. Hey guys.
It's 16 hours.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and in today's video we are going to be doing just a quick little fun tag video just to break the ice, you know, just so you get to know me better. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Forever making jokes, laughs even when in a serious situation. That is so true. I am forever kidding around and fooling around. Like, even when it comes to like job interviews, I don't think there's ever been a job interview that I haven't gone into and made like some stupid joke. Not stupid, but like that's always come out in me, and especially if you follow me on Instagram, then that definitely pulls through. I don't see the point in hiding that because that is like a character trait. Like, it is what I do. I like to make jokes. I like to make people laugh. I don't like to make people laugh. It's not an intentional like I want to haha, but I just find certain things, I just find the amusement in like everyday nonsense basically. So yeah, that is a true assumption. The next one is that you do what you want whenever you want. This is so interesting to me, and it's interesting because not a lot of people, but like you can just tell when someone is saying undertoned things where they think you can do what you want when you want. I'm not sure where this comes from or why the assumption is this way. I would be very interested in seeing like if people, because I mean Instagram is not anonymous, right? I would be very interested in seeing like if people could anonymously just tell me why they think I'm able to do what I want when I want. Like where they get that from. Like, I don't understand. Like, why would I work 5 jobs when I can do what I want when I want? Like, imagine Blue Ivy telling you that she works 5 jobs for Rinton. She can do what she wants when she wants that one. That's someone who can do what they want when they want. So I find that to be an interesting assumption, not a true one. I wish I could do what I want when I want, but very interesting. I get the feeling your parents were very strict. I don't know why. Girl, my parents were the strictest. I remember at one point I was not allowed to have friends. What? And then at one point my dad wouldn't allow me to go to the mall. And like, mind you, I was a teen. I was probably like 16 years old and my dad wasn't allowing me to go to the mall, and I wasn't allowed to take like public transport. Something weird like that. But yeah, my parents were very strict back in the day. Like, I don't know what happened to them. I think like the moment I got my degree, for some reason, like that's what I associated with. I've never asked them like why they've changed, because they don't need to go back. It's okay, stay where you are. They are still like strict, but they're not like the way they were. It was just a lot back in the day. But I also feel like maybe it's because I'm an older child, and older children just always have the worst side of their strict parents. So yeah, my parents, yeah, yeah. They were very strict. You are always last to leave groove. That's so funny. That is so funny. Not true. I'm the first one. Like, I tap out by like 10 p.m. I'm tired. I want to go home. I'm done. Right now with Corona, maybe I'll be the last to leave groove just because it's been a while. But on a normal night, no. That's what my varsity days were for, bruh. That's why you should varsity when it's time to varsity. Not now, I'm too old. Like, I'm done, I'm tapped out. You're a lecturer. Girl, bye. That is not an assumption, you know by now. Like, come on, who doesn't know that? Yeah, I am. You can fight with fists. That's so funny to me because it's true. I'm joking. No, that's another one, right? That's another one on top of so the most common ones I would get are like, I can do whatever, whenever, like I just got this like pretty, you know, trust fund lifestyle, no, come on now. And that I fight. Not true. Like, I've only ever been in one fight. That's a story for another day. I've only ever been involved in one fight, and that fight involved police, it involved lawyers, it involved like zoning, it was a lot, hey? That's like a good story time video, but like I don't think I'm at that point in my life where I can just be exposing my past life without it coming back to haunt me. But yeah, that was the first and only, like, I don't do fight, I'm too old. But I mean, don't try me. Don't take this video as an invitation, girl. I'm not playing. You're crazy fun to be around. See, I can't even answer that question though, because like, who am I to tell myself that I'm crazy fun to be around? So if that's an assumption, then I guess if you're assumptioning it to me, then it can only remain an assumption until we ask a third party to confirm it. But girl, listen. You're the baddest to ever do it. Yes, I am. Thank you for that. Oh, that's so sweet. Do you want to connect? I have a big page, we can support each other. You know, Instagram needs to stop doing this with the robots. That's a robot speaking. Like, you don't even know me, you don't even follow me. Like, come on now, let's be real. You've got money. Let me check my banking app quickly. Isn't it you want to do this game? Let me do it. Because guys, these assumptions, they're cute. But some of them I feel like are speaking to the future. Like, not right now. Let me see. The balance says available 0, e-bucks 0, easy savings pocket 0. Ooh, tax-free cash deposit 29 Rand. You were right, girl. I got the money. Where would this even come from? Like, I don't even understand that one. That one don't even make no sense. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know where that assumption comes from, but I will accept it. I will definitely accept it. Speaking something to an existence, yes, I am with it. The next one here, because I want to be really quick, and I'm just choosing like a few. Like, I'm gonna be 2 more. Hard worker. This is the thing is, apparently I'm very hard on myself, so even if I was a hard worker, I don't think I would be like egotistical enough to accept that or admit that, because I would feel like, oh my gosh, like, don't rub your own ego, like really it's not that deep. Like, okay, you work, but it's really like, come on. Yeah, so hard worker, I don't know, we would need a third party, I don't know, psychologist, hard work and an analyst to decipher that one. I don't think I'm a hard worker, I just think I stress a lot. Yeah, I don't know. And then you're secretly engaged. You know what, let's talk about this ring, guys, because I don't know whether it's because of the filming or what. This ring is on my right finger, this is my left finger. I feel like I even got a text message from one of my relatives who watches my YouTube and he was like, oh, we are engaged now, who's the man? I was like, no, I wear that ring all the time. I wear this ring all the time. I just don't think people notice on YouTube. This one specifically, this one is the longest one I've had because I got this at an event from Jenny Gold. And yeah, it's a durable one, like it's not a fake ring, and I think that's why I've had this for a long time. But I've always worn like engagement-esque or engagement type rings on my finger, but no, I'm not engaged. You guys would, I'm not gonna say you guys would be the first to know, because I don't even think my own like people would know. Someone said to me once that you would probably get engaged and then keep it a secret because you want to like what was the term? Like keep it between you and your partner, or like have it be like something special between you guys. I think I would do something ridiculous like that, where I'm just like, even married, I'll be like, hey guys, come on over to our house, and then I'll be like, we've been married for 1 year, let's celebrate. I think I would do something like that. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see when that happens. But yeah, those were just some very interesting assumptions. I don't want to go in too deep. I just wanted to make a really short video for you guys because it's been a while and I feel like I owe you guys so many videos, but it was a hectic exam month. That's why I was very non-consistent, but videos will be coming up every Tuesday, every Friday. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. But if you're watching this video, then you're probably a subscriber already. But if you're new, then subscribe to my channel. I talk about all things hair, all things. I'm going to be talking more about fashion now. Like, I want to show you guys my fashion outerwear. I plan on doing a video on that, so let me know down in the comment section below if you're interested. And we also talk about makeup and skincare on this channel, so this is your first video of mine that you're watching, then subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're watching this video the day it gets released, which is a Friday, then I'll see you on Tuesday. If you're watching on Tuesday, I'll see you on Friday. If you're watching on either day, I'll still see you. Bye.